So, hello. What I did was just nothing much. Imported the animation starter pack, deleted all this, then retargeted some third-person template animations. So we got that one, and a fall loop for the animations. So yeah, nothing too hard. So now I just will get started on the blend space jog. So that's direction, speed will be 600 to 300. Oop, that ain't good. And did I just crash? Okay, I didn't. Oh yeah, don't forget to turn on snap to grid. So here's a little bit of homework. Just drag everything up. Delete all that. Drag in the walk. So backward, forward, left, right, and yeah, now you got a pretty good blend space for your jogging. So now, we'll just make an anime blueprint. So, Unreal, ABP, shooter. So we'll get started with just the base thing. So yeah, we'll just make some state machines. But first, we're gonna have to do some simple things. So make a function called base locomotion. This will take care of all of our locomotion that we need. So what we need to do is, inside of our initialize animation, we will pass to EP first person character, promote this to a variable called then yeah, we'll just get some stuff. We'll drag in base locomotion, a sequence. Alright, so character. Get velocity. Our direction. So we'll do get actor rotation, calculate direction, base rotation, promote, then call it direction. Character movement. Then we'll just snag is falling. Promote is no. In blueprint we don't add the B. And bam, that's our base locomotion. So we'll just add a state machine. If y'all are coming in from Unity, these should be fairly familiar. So we'll just have a state called idle. Populate that with the idle. Blend bone to layer blend by bone. Then we will blend with spine 2. Blend at 1, blend plus 0. So now, boom, we got a pretty good idle animation. So we got a walk run. We'll just get our idle to walk run animations. Good. Copy this layered blend by node by bone. We'll need that. Okay, so we're gonna need that jogging animation. Grab a bit. Grab a blend by. Little blend by node. Then take a lucky guess. So take you a little random guess. We don't want as much, since we're moving, we don't want it to stay stiff, so a 0.8 will work just fine. Hook up direction to direction, speed to speed. We will then change our mesh to, yep. Then first we'll just move this over to the client. Oh wait, I forgot. We need to set up transition rules. If our speed is greater than 15, then we can do it to sort of fake a little bit of motion matching without motion matching, if you catch the drift. Then less than 15. And yeah, we got us a non-local thing. We'll add an aim offset. Alright. Please wait 1 minute. Oh, it's still tweaking. Then we'll set up an airplane aim offset. So, we can set up some fallen animals. Boom, boom, bam, damn. Idle to falling. Then is falling. Yes. move. Oh, we forgot to add an animation. So we'll just set up our idle thing, but instead of idle, we'll use our falling animation. But then to like 0.7, because whenever you're falling, you don't have that much control over your gun. So, fall loop. Alright, so we got us an armed thing. We will then set up some aim offset. And I don't know about y'all, but I like my aim offset. So I'm just copying all my stuff to. I'll just copy my stuff to the project that I already did. Then I'll explain it. So transform modify bone will like rotate your bone, but you gotta. So with this, usually it's exposed at its pin, but just press it again. Boom. Then we'll grab our Okay, so then we'll make yet another function, and those will be pure. Call it aim offset. I'll get me character. Then get base aim rotation. Wow, very nice. Who would have thought of it? What? This would be like an F thing and C++. Supply by -1 maybe? Make a rotator. Then, cause it's a pure, we'll need an output called aim rotation. Then it will be an F rotator. Boom. So then we will have in our little sequence and I'll just promote this to a variable. Set up an aim rotation. Then I will set my aim rotation constantly to our aim offset. So now if this works, if I did it properly, yep, we got a character that can look up and down. So in our since we've got a gun currently, we'll just add a little skeletal mesh for my hands. Actually, it's just I'm just better off doing a one of these thingamajigs. Idle iron sights. Alright, so I'll call it gun socket. Add a preview asset of the gun. Pause this. Disable snapping. All I do is just move this right here, little back, because it's a fast-paced thing. And yeah, no one should notice that much. So I'll have a skeletal gun called FP gun. I'll add a, oop, my bad. And gun socket. Then, okay, alright. And this is important, kids. Make this owner no see. We do not need the owner seeing our inner workings. So now, bam, we got a local character. So, in our next video, we'll set up our gun and our gun pickup. And, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, we'll do that in our next video. Take me to Funky Town! Take me to Funky Town!